Today, we will use English in real life.
We talk about simple moments in life, funny moments, normal moments, things that happen every day.
We can talk about going to the fridge at night, or buying coffee in a busy cafe in London, Paris, or New York. Small things, but very important.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen. Listen again. You will understand more every day.
This podcast helps you use English for your daily life.
So get comfortable, sit in your favorite chair, and let's start.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Adam, are you okay?
I am okay, I think.
You are moving very slowly. You look stiff.
What does stiff mean?
Stiff means your body is not relaxed and hard to move, like after the gym.
I am stiff, Sarah. I am very stiff. Please don't make me laugh.
Adam, what happened?
I did something healthy.
Healthy?
Yes, I decided to change my life. I decided to get strong.
Oh, that sounds good.
So yesterday, I went to a big building, a building full of mirrors and heavy things.
You went to a gym.
Yes, I went to a gym.
Congratulations! That is a big step.
It started well. I walked in, I felt powerful. I bought a membership.
A membership? What is that?
A membership means I can use the gym.
So you pay money and you can enter the gym?
Yes, I pay every month and the gym is mine to use.
Okay, so you paid for your membership, you got your card.
I felt very proud of that card. It has my photo on it. I look very serious in the photo.
So you have the card, you have the clothes. Did you start your workout?
Yes, I started my workout.
Workout. This is a very common word.
It is. A workout is a session of physical exercise.
So running is a workout.
Yes, lifting weights is a workout. Swimming is a workout. It is the time you spend moving your body.
So tell me about your workout. What did you do first?
Well, I walked into the main room, and Sarah, it was scary.
Why?
Because everyone was huge. There were men with muscles like watermelons.
Like watermelons?
Yes, huge muscles. They were lifting giant metal circles. They were grunting, roar, roar.
It sounds intense.
It was very intense. I looked at my arms looked like spaghetti.
Adam, don't say that. You are normal.
In that room, I was not normal. I was a spaghetti man in a watermelon world.
So, did you leave?
No, I have a membership. I paid money. I had to stay.
So, what did you do?
I saw the free weights section, the dumbbells.
Okay, that is a good place to start.
I walked over. There were small weights, 5 kilograms, 10 kilograms.
Perfect. Start small.
But Sarah, next to me, there was a guy lifting 50 kilograms.
50? Wow.
He looked at me, then he looked at the 5-kilogram weight.
Did you feel embarrassed?
Yes, I didn't want him to think I was weak. I wanted to impress him.
Oh no, Adam, this is a bad idea.
It was a terrible idea. I thought, I'm a strong man. I can lift heavy things. So I walked past the 5-kilogram weights. I walked past the 10-kilogram weights.
Adam, stop.
I picked up the 20-kilogram weight.
20 kilograms for your first time?
Yes, in each hand.
40 kilograms total, Adam. You are crazy.
I know. I picked them up. They were heavy, very heavy. My arms were shaking.
Did you put them down?
No, the big guy was watching me. I had to be cool.
So you tried to lift them.
I tried. I took a deep breath. I pushed them up.
Did you make a noise?
I made a very weird noise, like a dying chicken. Squeak!
Oh my gosh!
The big guy looked at me. He stopped lifting.
And the weights?
They went up. Halfway, my arms were burning. My face was red. I felt like my head was going to explode.
And then?
And then, gravity won.
Gravity always wins.
My arms gave up. The weights came down, fast.
Did they hit your feet?
Luckily, no. I dropped them on the floor. Clang!
Clang?
No, Sarah, it was not a small clang. It was a giant boom. The whole gym shook.
Oh no, it was loud.
It sounded like a car crash. Everyone stopped. The music stopped. The watermelon men stopped grunting.
Everyone looked at you.
Everyone, 50 people, staring at the spaghetti man.
What did you do?
I wanted to disappear. I wanted to become invisible.
But you couldn't.
No, so I smiled, a painful smile, and I said, just testing gravity. It works.
You made a joke?
It was a bad joke. Nobody laughed. The big guy just shook his head.
So, did you continue your workout?
No, my workout was finished. I walked out very fast.
You left the gym?
Yes, I went to the locker room, changed my clothes, and ran to my car.
Adam, that is a disaster.
It was a disaster yesterday, but today, it's worse.
Why is it worse today?
Because of the pain, Sarah. I have sore muscles.
Sore muscles.
Yes, this is our third key phrase.
Can you explain sore?
Sore means painful, but it's a specific kind of pain. It feels tight. It feels achy.
Usually after exercise.
Yes, if you run a marathon, your legs are sore. If you lift heavy weights incorrectly, your arms are sore.
And where are you sore?
Everywhere. My shoulders, my back, my arms, even my fingers are sore.
Can you lift your arm?
Ouch. No, I can only lift it this high.
That is not very high.
I know. I can't brush my hair. I can't put on my jacket.
So you learned a hard lesson. You learned that you should not show off.
Show off. Yes, that means trying to impress people. I tried to show off, and I failed.
But Adam, don't quit.
Quit? I want to quit. I want to cancel my membership.
No, don't cancel. Go back.
Go back to the scene of the crime?
Yes, but this time use the small weights.
The pink ones?
If you need the pink ones, use the pink ones. There is no shame.
But the watermelon men.
They don't care about you, Adam. They are looking at themselves in the mirror.
That is true. They love the mirror.
Just do your own workout. Go slowly.
And maybe not drop the weights?
Yes, keep the weights in your hands. That is rule number 1.
Okay, I will try again, when my muscles are not sore.
That might take a few days.
Maybe next week. For now, I will just do finger yoga. See, I'm exercising.
You are impossible, Adam.
And friends, we want to know about you. Do you have a gym membership?
And do you actually go, or do you just pay the money?
Tell us about your workout. Do you lift weights? Do you run? Tell us in the comments. I need sympathy.
Adam needs to know that he is not the only spaghetti man.
Please tell me I'm not alone.
You are not alone, but you are very sore.
I am. I need a massage.
Maybe you can get a massage at the gym?
I'm too scared to go back yet. I will wait.
Take your time.
Thank you for listening to my painful story.
We hope you learned some English. Membership, workout, sore.
And don't drop the weights.
See you next time.
Goodbye. Ouch. Waving hurts. And friends, tomorrow we'll use English in a new real situation. Watch the next episode.